Hi, how you doing? I'm Said Khan, back with another video. In this video, we're going to look at 5 big benefits of investing in the stock market. Okay, so when you have money to invest, there are some potentially profitable investment asset types that you can, invest in that are available to you, depending on how much you have. In particular, investing in stock market is a very common investment method and also a popular one over others, right? With that said, let's look at 5 big benefits of investing in the stock market so that you can invest your hard-earned income with the aim of growing your wealth over time, of course. So you can start with number one. We can start with the low investment. This is one of the biggest benefits which enables people from all walks of life to get into investing. You don't need a lot of money to get started. In fact, these days you can even get started with just $1, right? With apps like Stash and Acorns. Okay, so number two is earn passive income. So this benefit is one of my favorite reasons. The stock market allows you to earn income in a passive way almost effortlessly. I said effortlessly simply because there's the initial effort required on your part where you need to carry out some research and due diligence before making investments. This work, if you want to call it that, is to the work of the researchers, is to ensure that you're investing in the right stocks that have potential for providing you with profitable returns. Okay, and of course there's no guarantee there of returns. Number three is earn dividends. Okay, another one of my favorite reasons is that there are many companies in the stock market that pay dividends throughout the year to you as an investor. Dividends are simply profits from the company that are distributed to its shareholders as perks for being an investor. Dividends can be in the form of shares, cash, or property, but very commonly in cash payments that are sent out to investors. Whatever form in which you receive dividends is basically free shares, cash, or property without you doing any work for it apart from investing. Number four is invest in companies of the products and services that you buy from, right? Are you passionate and fanatic about a specific product or service, for example Apple, any other products, right? If yes, then you could have an opportunity to become part owner of it. Okay, that's made possible by investing in stocks of the company from which you buy their products and services. Okay, so for example Apple. So if you like Coca-Cola as well, you can certainly buy Coca-Cola stock. The companies you invest in are of course subject to the company being in the stock market in the first place, right? Number five is potential to earn life-changing income. So the stock market can provide life-changing incomes to anyone, no matter what sex, age, or ethnicity you are. It doesn't care, right? As long as you have money to invest and invest in stocks that are on the way up long term, then you can make some significant life-changing incomes. Take for example Amazon, right? Just imagine you invest in Amazon when it launched in 1997. So with an investment of just $1,000 back in 1997 in Amazon, your shares, your stocks would have been worth well over $1 million in 2020, and you would have earned that by almost no effort, just by risking your investment money and giving it time in the market for the company to grow over time, right? So there you have it, 5 big benefits of investing in the stock market. The stock market provides anyone an opportunity on a level playing field when it comes to investing. You just need to take the effort of learning all you can about investing in the stock markets. This is so that you can make informed strategic investments that maximize profits and minimize your losses. It's also a must that you are willing to take calculated risk and accept risk in the sense that you may lose all or some of your investment. Okay, so that's it for now for this video. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and comment. If you like more stuff like this, visit said-khan.com/newsletter. Thank you for watching and all the best.